faster we find out that, the sooner I'll get a bird. I will. Mom says we should buy one.
Stop by and say hello to our companion animal of the month during our Meet the Critters weekend, September 3rd and 4th from 1 to 2 p.m. You'll get a chance to learn all about one of our favorite critters and see if they're right for your gift. Be it furry, scaly, or feathery, you're sure to fall in love. Remember, that's September 3rd and 4th. See you there.
Hermits are really active right now. You gotta stand back. You get scared, so you gotta back up.
Oh, there's a big one.
Me and Benjamin are gonna go look at the fish culture and see.
Okay.
We're not buying anything.
But that guy needs to get his wings clipped. If you guys go to your local Petco, you can get your bird for $21.99. Oh, what's that guy's feeding on? That's called a cuttlebone. I saw him somewhere around here somewhere. I don't know. If you guys like this channel, please subscribe for more awesome bird videos. Hey YouTube. Like a lot of people, I want to get a bird. So we are pretty soon, but we're looking for a cage. It's about, well, just like they sell them at Petco online. You can get one for about $27, but if you know any place that has one that about as big as that is, please just send me a link. I will promise to reward for the cheapest one and the biggest one 10,000 Facebook credits and 90,000 cash in all games and a free toolbar and some free rewards like that. And I'll even throw a chance to win a trip to Hawaii for 6. Okay. Thanks YouTube, and hope you guys know anything.